today we are going to be planting seeds. For this activity you will need some soil. You can have a large bowl or smaller pots, or even use a cup. You will need a little spade. You will need some seeds, and you will also need a watering can with water. So our planting activity is going to be about fine motor skills, gross motor skills and hand coordination. So to start with, take your pot and your spade and encourage your children to pour the soil into the pot. Obviously some of it is going to go on the outside, that's absolutely fine, but encourage them to try and get it inside the pot. You can always use a smaller spoon and then your children will be able to manage it a little bit better. So put a little bit of soil in, and then you need to take 1 or 2 of your seeds. Now this is where the fine motor skills come in. So encourage your children to use their pincer grip, pick it up, and then they can put it into the soil, push it down, and then they can fill the pot up nearly to the top. Encourage them not to overflow it, and then obviously they have to remember when to stop filling it so it doesn't overflow. There you have your pot that's full. Afterwards, you can encourage your children to pour a little bit of water on the top. Make sure that your pot has some holes at the bottom to allow the water to come out, otherwise it will just soak the seeds or the beans and they won't be able to grow properly. Then this activity isn't over, because this is going to go on for a few weeks. Your child will be able to observe what's happening with their seed or their bean. So it could only take a few days for some seeds and beans to start growing, but get your child to keep checking. They will soon start to see some shoots and they'll be so happy. They'll be so excited to see these changes. Make sure that you encourage your child to go every day. Make sure you encourage your child to water their seeds to ensure that they grow. This is their responsibility. They are being in charge of an activity. So they will feel a sense of achievement when they see that their little seed or bean is growing. Honestly, they will be so happy with it. It's so exciting when they can show their family and their friends what they have been able to do by themselves. So for the older children, you can encourage them to start measuring their seed once it starts to grow, so they can record how much it's growing, how tall it's going to get. They can look at the changes over time as well. So this isn't just a one-day activity. This is something that can go on for a few weeks. I hope that you've really enjoyed this activity, and I hope that your children enjoy it too. We miss you all very, very much, and we can't wait to see you again soon.